a Strike Master Mag 2000 auger. It starts, runs great. It has the 40-inch length auger and it's 8-inch wide on the skipper blade. These are good, durable ice augers. I'll let my partner stop and start it here. And give it a start.
Oh, I turned the key off.
You turned the key off, that's why I didn't start right away, but as you can tell, it's a good running auger. You want to start and stop it one more time? Put it back on. Okay, this will be listed on Craigslist and possibly Radio Swap Shop. Thanks for watching.